Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by planning your ranking question and items before opening Spss. Create one variable per item labeled Item 1 through Item 5 in Variable View. Set each variable's type to numeric and width to 8 for consistency. Set measure to ordinal and assign values from 1 to 5 in the Value cell. Use value 1 as the top rank and 5 as the lowest rank to keep coding intuitive. Add a brief variable label describing the question for future reference. Switch to Data View to enter collected rankings from your survey. Enter each respondent on one row using numbers 1 through 5 for item ranks. Ensure each column corresponds to the appropriate item 1 through Item 5 variable you created. Check that no two items share the same rank in a respondent row to avoid data errors. If a respondent skips an item, enter a defined missing value, such as -99, to preserve the case. Save the file frequently as a salve to protect your work. Verify and analyze your ranking data with a few quick procedures in Spss. Use analyze, then descriptive statistics, then frequencies to check rank distributions for each item. Run crosstabs or non-parametric tests to compare ranks across groups when needed. To detect duplicate ranks, use data sort cases, and then compute with logic to flag identical rank values in a row. Replace flagged duplicates or consult original surveys before analysis. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.